In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create persona in Janitor AI. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Janitor AI, then in the results, click the official Janitor AI website to open it. Using a quick search is a reliable way to reach the correct homepage, especially if you haven't bookmarked it yet. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner and click your profile. If you don't see it, make sure you're signed in, because persona tools live in your account menu. From that menu, click My Personas. This takes you to your workspace where you can create, view, and manage all your characters in one place. On the My Personas page, click Create Persona to open the setup form. Start with the Name field. Choose a simple, memorable name that instantly signals the persona's role, like a study companion, a coach, or a support guide. Keep it easy to pronounce for smoother voice interactions, and avoid any private or identifying details that you wouldn't want shared. Next, select the gender and choose the pronouns that match how the persona should refer to itself. This ensures consistent, natural replies in conversation. You can always change this later if you decide to shift the persona's voice or style. Now add a description. Think of this as a short, focused brief that defines personality, tone, and priorities. A concise approach works best. 3 to 6 sentences is usually enough. For example, you are a friendly and curious student. You enjoy learning new things, asking questions, and having respectful conversations. Speak politely, keep explanations clear, and aim to understand the other person's intent before responding. Setting expectations like this helps the persona stay on message and reduces mixed behavior during chats. With the basics set, add a photo. Click the upload icon, then choose an image from your files. Pick a clear, high-quality picture that represents the persona's vibe. A centered or square portrait tends to look best in thumbnails. Make sure you have permission to use the image and avoid cluttered backgrounds or anything that could distract from the character's face or theme. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new persona is now added to your list and ready for use. If you want to refine it later, maybe tweak the name, adjust pronouns, tighten the description, or swap the photo, you can return to this page at any time and update it. And that's the process from start to finish. You've reached the site, opened your profile, created a persona with a clear identity, set a consistent voice, added a representative image, and saved your work. Enjoy building personas that match your goals and make your conversations more effective.